Here we are again with another digital clock kit that I have to solder together. This one requires around 200, 300 soldered points. Yeah, that will be interesting, but first let's unbox it. Yeah, this screen, hopefully it's not broken. Some people have complained that it's broken. Mainboard. Oh boy, there's some echo here. I can hear the echo. Oh boy. Hopefully it's not too bad. So, let's see. Oh, this only goes into the... Interesting. Like that. One leg is bent. Let's try it out. Like that. Okay. That almost looks like a clock with the mainboard and screen. So, yeah. We have the chip. We have a speaker that has a magnet inside and attracts the LEDs. We need to have 60 LEDs. Oh boy. That's how I got this. Hopefully I'll be able to straighten those legs. Okay, that's interesting. So let's count the LEDs. You have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 red ones, I think. And 40 something, 48 blue ones. Resistors, yeah, these ones. Capacitor, 2 buttons, a USB port, battery, holder and no battery. Okay, so I'll need a battery for this. I had one. Yeah, I'll have to search for it. I have several of these, I think, but I have no idea where I put them. Probably mixed them in with change. Whatever. Yeah, I'll have to find them. Yeah, so blue. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, oops, 4, 6, 8, 10, and another 8. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I must have miscounted. 2, 4, whatever. Maybe there's an extra. And the red ones, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so we have the exact number of red ones. Okay, so we have to build something with these. Here's the... Do you call this a thermistor? But this measures the temperature. And this one, I don't know what this measures. But this is also an interesting component. Do we have something here on the map? So, I don't know. Whatever, I'll just follow the drawings to build this thing. Okay, so Let's solder in the screen first. Yeah, let's start with the screen. Oh boy, and I'm having glare problems again. I need a better light. Also, the smoke is coming towards me. I don't know why. If I move my head, the smoke goes there. That's the electrician's curse or something. That's not good. Come on. I need to open a door. Now you can hear a fan probably. So yeah, it seems to be going well with this. It's a 50-watt soldering iron. They call this the professional one because only pros use it. You can quickly overheat the part that you're trying to solder. So yeah, let's look at them up close. Yep, they're fine. Maybe that one. Eh, it's fine. They're all fine. Okay, this was quick. Now the rest of the 100 joints with the... Oh boy. So the longer leg of the LED is the positive. And should I put them in all the way or leave them like this? My plan is to make something, bend them somewhere or something, put on them something. I don't know how to do it. I think I'll leave them longer. Or should I just put them in, push them in all the way? Man, let's push them in. I don't care. I'll maybe modify it later. So the positive is the outside. So let's... Oh, and I put it in the wrong hole. Yeah. So the positive goes outside. Positive outside. Positive outside. The red one comes there. Blue comes here. Blue comes here. Blue comes here. Oh boy, this will be a pain. Oh, come on, like that. This was only $5, so it may have some flaws, but I'm hoping for the best. The other digital clock I assembled, that was also a much cheaper version. If I tried to buy it from another store, it was like 100% more expensive, like twice the price. So, and that was okay. So I don't know. What's the rule here? Not all cheap is crap, or not all crap is cheap. Something like that. Oh boy. At least now I have this cutting thing, cutting pliers, that is much quicker to handle these legs. Yeah, let's put in some red ones too. So my thinking is that the light shouldn't mix. So maybe I'll put a kind of a tube on the red ones so the red doesn't mix with the blue. To Because in the picture with the working model, uh, it kind of bothers me how they are side by side and it's purple or whatever. I don't like that. It should be red. Red are the hours and blue are the minutes. So I hope I can keep them separate somehow when it's all done and working. But until then, I have to solder. Solder like crazy. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna solder like crazy. Yeah, the red one. Am I putting them correctly? Yeah. So the positive is the longer, like that is always the case. That's nice. It's easier to assemble. Don't jump away, man. So yeah, Chinese jokes coming in. I bet a Chinese kid does this like 10x faster because he's talented out of a hobby, not in a factory. That's BS. I wasn't going to say anything like that. But yeah, they probably do it a lot faster. But at least if they are building it in a factory, the parts don't get mangled in shipping. So right now I'm dealing with bent legs. Look, they are bent and it's harder to put them in. So yeah, that's a thing. This can't be automated. If the legs are bent, a robot can't do it. Well, not yet. AI will fix that, but for now, yeah, okay. So we'll find out if I miscounted or there's really one extra blue LED in the package. Oh boy. Can I zoom in or something? Come on in. Wouldn't it be nice if they all fell out now? That would be so awesome. I don't know. I don't have a plan to hold them in. I don't know how to hold them in. But yeah, trial and error. Maybe I'll have to start over again. Who knows? The key to success is to always assume that a project is really easy. Then you can at least start. And if you started, then you will probably finish it. Even though it will turn out a lot harder than you thought. So yeah, this almost looks finished. But I don't know how I can solder this. Oh boy. Somebody was bothering me. Okay, no problem. But yeah, so how do I do this? I can't even put it down now. I can put it on something like this, I think, like that, until I figure out how to do it. So I need the solder, and yeah, this will be interesting. So I will just solder. Should I just bend the pins to hold them in? Is that acceptable? So I don't have 3 hands. Yeah, like this, with 3 hands. They'll be a bit crooked, I think. Oh boy, and it's not consistent. The way the solder flows, it's not consistent. So I need another method to hold the LED. Yeah, let's zoom out. And yeah, what's the best tactic here? Maybe I should have put them in one by one. Yeah, now it's a bit better, like that. If I hold it, I think I need to change the tip soon. Ah! Don't fall out. So yeah, let me just hold them like this. Yeah. Is this the way you do it? I mean, some pros should write in the comments some tips on how to first trim the legs and then solder, or it's good to first solder and then trim. I don't know how it's easier. Maybe next time, if I do something crazy like this, then I'll then I'll do it the other way. Trim the legs first, and oh boy, this is not good. Solder is getting all over the place. So yeah, it's not going to the tip. I don't have a good way to... Oh boy. I need to come a bit here, over here. And I still mostly can't see anything. Maybe the tip is too thick or something, but man, this is not good. The angle for the solder. I don't see it. Now I see it. This in this angle it's better. Okay. And also my theory is that I shouldn't even solder these in. It's not mandatory, I think. Because I think they would make contact if I press on them from a direction with a plexiglass or something. Yeah, this echo is annoying. I modified my setup here, and there's a large wood panel nearby, vertical wood panel, and that sucks. I need to cover it with something. Oh boy, it didn't get any solder again. What? Come on, I'm almost halfway through of the half. Only the outside pins. Nah, again. There's no solder. What? Do I need to clean the tip or something? Like that? Clean it off with paper? Because it's not flammable. Oh, it's getting really thin. Yeah, that's a problem. But not an urgent problem. Oh boy. Well, at least the smoke is not coming towards me again. Anymore. It's going up and away. Like Superman. Or Birdman. Who had that catchphrase? Nah, again. What? I'm moving the soldering iron incorrectly. Yeah. So more than halfway through already. Halfway through of the half. Again, no solder. If I move the tip away too quickly, okay, a quarter more to go. I mean, it's literally a quarter. That's funny. A quarter of an hour. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm getting some radiation from this soldering iron. That's nice. You know that all transformers that are not in a thick enough box have electromagnetic radiation coming out of them like crazy. But they say it's non-ionizing or something like that. I don't know what it means. It doesn't mean that it's good for you, but probably won't kill you, so we'll see. Okay. Now everything in it is in its place, nicely soldered. They don't move. Okay. So what's the next step? This was 26 minutes. Let's change the tip. Let's change the tip because the tip is worn out. I prepared two. Come on. I'm being stupid here. Like that. Okay, new tip. Different shape, slightly, but it will be fine. Oh, I didn't tighten it properly. Yeah, it's tightened. It's okay. All right. It's a bit longer, so it takes... Oh, yeah, and it's thicker because it's not worn out. So, yeah, that's why it heats up a little slowlier. So, oh, yeah. What comes next? Let's look at the picture somewhere because I'm not following a diagram. So, here are three resistors that are one color. Yeah. What are these? I have no idea. So, yeah, that's interesting. What's the difference between these two? Oh, one has an orange on this side and the other has brown on that side. Okay. So the orange ones are going six of them. Right there and right there. Okay, I can see that. So the oranges are going near the chip, like here. And I'm gonna solder on the other side. What? Oh, and I should have soldered already. And that's a mistake. But I can solder it on this side, no problem. I would have to solder a few components under the screen. But I was too hasty and put the screen in. And also the speaker. Oh boy, I mean the battery. Oh no, that's fine. Okay. Okay, I was panicking there for a bit. That's fine. So these come here, and the 330 ohm, whatever that means, I don't even care, with the orange up top. That's how they made it, so that's how I put them in. Like that. Can I put all of them in? Or some of it is covered by the screen already? Oh boy. Like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Like that. Come on. I'm being stupid here. Let's get them all out and put them in. Oh boy. That's nice. They're not perfectly aligned, but who cares? I just want to make it work. Come on. Like that. Like that. Oh boy, I think I will interrupt this video because I will have to go to the bathroom. I thought I was fine, but no. There will be a second play. So yeah, let's solder these guys in. I need more solder. Oops. Yeah, and the solder is coming. The fumes are coming towards my face again. That's not good. So I'm only soldering one leg first because I think it will be easier when I cut the legs after all the components are already staying in place. I don't know how that will work out. Now I didn't even touch the pads. I mean the wire and the pad. So for some reason this soldering iron gives current to the components that I'm soldering. You can see flickering in some of the LEDs as I'm soldering. That's why I'm putting in the chip last, because that may kill chips. I didn't kill any yet, but I'm just being cautious. So yeah, those resistors and the other ones, what? This is slightly different. What? There's the USB. And on the other drawing, oh, yeah. So the USB. like that. I think I have a few of these cables left. Yeah, these are a bit harder to solder because you have to heat up the huge metal part. That's not... What? The pads are tiny and I can't touch them with the soldering iron. That's unfortunate, but I think I managed to do it. And yeah. So, what else? The switches will be on the back. I could install them on the front too. But on the back, I don't know. Maybe I'll change it around if I don't like it that way. Switch 1 and switch 2. Oh, I pushed it into my finger. Nice work. And yeah, let's push this one in also into my finger. What is holding it back? Yeah, now it's okay. So yeah, like this. Let's put some solder there. Yeah, that's mostly fine. Mostly fine. And what else? Should we put in the chip? I mean only the chip socket. What do you call it? Man, these are bendy as hell. The legs. And two are pushed in. Do I have to fix that? If they are pushed in. Oh boy, and this is coming out. Oh boy. I don't like fixing stuff. I mean fixing new stuff. I like fixing old stuff. But new stuff should work out of the factory. Man, this is kind of weak. But yeah. Let's put it in on the back. And hopefully I can access all the legs. And the key is on the left, like that. Put them right in. Come on. One side is in, but the other doesn't want to go in. Oh boy. Now it's in. Yeah, mostly in. Okay, let's solder them. At least 2 feet, one on each side. Like that. And oh boy, I just realized this is the face, the mouth and the 2 eyes. Okay. So this small chip, should I put it on right now? Maybe. Or wait until the last minute to minimize the risk. The transistor, I think, should go in next. With bent legs, okay, nice, cool. Oh boy, like that. Let's leave a little space there. And solder one leg. Yeah. Okay. So, the battery holder, it's this way around. Yeah. That's how the drawing says it, so it must be true. Okay. There's its place. And a nice smoke in my mouth. And here. Oh boy. That was stupid. The soldering iron was resting on one of these legs. And yeah, that was bad. But ultimately it's in. So what else do we need? The speaker. Does this have a positive and negative? Oh, it's specified. Positive on top. Okay. Like that. Right next to the USB port. Is this even a USB port or just for power? I think it's just for power. Yep. Only the two side pins are connected. Okay. So what else do we need? The chips go in last. I should put them up top here. And yeah, let's see. Remove seal after washing. What? Oh, you're supposed to wash this. I understand. That's a good idea, but at the factory. I don't need to do that because I'm not using flux. I'm a noob, I'm not using flux, so this GM thing is going in here. I don't know what it is. Something with light, I think. Hopefully the intensity, the brightness of the LEDs will be lower if it's dark. Yeah. And 10 kilo ohm resistors. So this is GM and oh yeah, that's the heat sensor here. RM and GM. Yeah, let's leave a little leg. Maybe I'll bend it later. Like that. Okay. And the 10 kilo ohm resistors. 1, 2, and there should be one more. Oh wait! This is funny, so I counted right. There's one LED, one extra LED. Yep. Okay, that's good. Or something like that. It doesn't matter. So one of these comes down here. Okay. These 10 kilo ohms come down here. One here. Come on. Like that. Come on. Go in. I don't have enough space here to push down. But yeah. Let's which one is it? Oh, this one. Oh boy. That didn't work. Now it worked. Okay. So the 10 kilo one comes here. Come on. You can't see, I can't see. But I really can't see. Because of eye strain or something. I keep focusing on things. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah. And this one goes here. Okay. We're at 47 minutes. I hope I still have space on the SD card. It's 128 gig. So it must be fine for full HD. Which one? Oh, this one needs more. And I'm not showing it to you. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so my table moved. That sucks. Oh boy. The quartz crystal, it's always marked with Y. Whatever. I don't care why. Right here. Like that. And I'll bend it later. Oh, and it's under the screen. Crap. Crap. So I have to solder it from this side. So yeah. The screen should go in last. That's a definite maybe. Okay. I think I need a new tip soon. But let me solder in both legs here. Okay. Not perfect, but fine. Yeah. So, some more capacitors. 10 and 10. And this one is 104. Yeah, the 104 comes here under the screen. Perfect. Where I didn't leave any room. Or did I? There's enough room. Perfect. So I can solder this one. That's great. Come on. Everything is in the way. Yep. Now it's fine. What else do I need? The 10 picofarad thing here. Yep, and this is remaining on this side. because I messed up. I'm not going to take the screen out. Maybe if it turns out that it's defective, then I'll take it out, but not before. So, yeah. That's in. The other one on the other side of the crystal, like there, and this one can go through, but I leave it like that to resemble his brother. Like that. Okay, that's all of the components. What? In just 51 minutes? Oh boy. Now I just need to put on the chip, on the small chip and the big chip. And this will be interesting because the legs are small and my soldering iron is big. Come on. Focus. Yeah, so somehow I have to hold it down and solder at least one leg. Hopefully not bunch them together. Yep, I think that did it. Okay. Yeah, soldering the other legs too. And then cut off the legs, the excess, and solder them in. Am I doing this right? I said I was gonna minimize danger. So let's cut the legs now, I think. Let's cut them off. Oh boy. This is harder than I thought. Maybe if I have more room. It keeps sticking to the pliers and oh boy, that's a mess. I think I leave this step last. This is annoying. So yeah, let's solder. Or yeah, I'll just turn off the video because it's mostly done. I'll make a short video when I'm testing it and maybe setting it up if it needs some settings. So yeah, that's all for now.